Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are breaking down Synthesia versus Heygen. Which AI video creator is better in under 3 minutes? Let's jump right in. What they do. Both Synthesia and Heygen let you create videos using AI avatars, text to speech, and templates, but they focus on slightly different users. Synthesia more corporate and training oriented, Heygen more content creator friendly with stronger storytelling tools, avatars, and realism. Synthesia offers high quality avatars with consistent professionalism, perfect for training, onboarding, and explainer videos. Heygen known for hyper realistic avatars and face swapping, plus better facial expressions and lip sync accuracy. Great for marketing and social content. Winner, if you need realism, Heygen. If you prefer clean, stable corporate avatars, Synthesia. Features and tools. Synthesia features over 200 AI avatars, more than 120 languages, strong brand controls, great for teams and enterprise workflows. Heygen features face swap and voice clone, AI video translation with lip sync, more dynamic scenes and transitions, better customization for creators. Bottom line, Synthesia structured, business focused, Heygen creative, flexible, and more advanced visuals. Pricing. Synthesia starts around $22 per month. Heygen is a bit pricier, starting around $29 per month. Heygen gives more advanced tools, while Synthesia gives a more controlled workflow for teams. Which one should you choose? Choose Synthesia if you want corporate videos, training modules, reliability, and easy collaboration. Choose Heygen if you want more realistic avatars, AI translations, marketing, YouTube, or creative storytelling. And that's it. Quick breakdown. Let me know down below in the comments which AI video creator you prefer, Synthesia or Heygen. And do not forget to like and subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.